If you want to create a specific search prompt, then you can utilize Microsoft Copilot for that as well. For example, I'm going to go around and see, let's say for example, create a search prompt for Bing search engine where I want to find computer generation content with only PDF file type right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, it'll create out a search prompt right here, just like this. So computer generation and file type PDF right here. So this is for Bing search engine. So let's just go around over here onto Bing right here, paste this out and press enter, and then what happens is that you can see that it shows up only the PDF files right here. So that is what you have. Let me just go around and say now generate the same search prompt for Google search right here, just like this, and then press enter, and what happens is that you can see that it searches out right here, and then there you go. So you can see that that is what you have, file type PDF. So you can go around and copy this out right here, and in Google I'm going to go around and go and then let's say for example paste this out right here, and once I do that, it searches out for PDF files only, as you can see right here. And that is how you can create out specific sets from prompts as well inside of Copilot if you don't know how to include or exclude certain things inside of the search engine to find file type or certain contents that you like. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.